Robin Kudda flew into Mumbai. He runs AirTrunk, Australia's largest data center company, backed by Blackstone and the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board. He signed a letter of intent with the Maharashtra government for a 3 gigawatt data center campus in Raigad. The investment figure attached to that signature is $21 billion, approximately 2 lakh crore rupees. Now, to understand what 3 gigawatt means, it is enough electricity to power 1 to 3 mid-sized cities such as Indore or Chandigarh. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis was in the room. 150,000 jobs are projected by 2031. AirTrunk did not start from scratch in India. They acquired Lumina Cloud Infra in April of 2026. That is just 2 months ago, giving them immediate presence in Mumbai, Chennai and Hyderabad before breaking ground on a single new facility. The scale of what is being built in Raigad deserves the context it is not getting in most coverage. This is not just one data center. 3 gigawatts is a campus that, when fully operational, will rank among the largest concentrations of AI compute infrastructure anywhere in Asia. The power requirement alone is the kind of number that changes conversations about grid capacity, renewable energy sourcing, and of course, water shortages and water usage in the surrounding region. AirTrunk's backing, Blackstone and Canada's pension fund, means the capital structure is patient and very deep. This is infrastructure built to run for decades, not to just be flipped over. The Lumina acquisition accelerated the India entry considerably. 2 months between acquisition and $21 billion of an LOI in Maharashtra is actually a pace that signals how seriously AirTrunk is treating the Indian market and how seriously the Indian market is treating them back. Over $630 billion in global data center investment is projected to flow through markets like India this year. The US technology companies driving that demand, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, are building the AI systems that need the compute. The data centers housing that compute need to be, well, close to the users generating the demand. India has 1.4 billion of those users. Wow! A government actively facilitating foreign infrastructure investment and a power grid that is expanding alongside the renewable energy build-out we have covered extensively on front page and will continue to do so. Now, a little more about AirTrunk. AirTrunk is not actually the first to move, but a $21 billion commitment from a Blackstone-backed operator is the largest single data center announcement India has seen till now. The question now worth asking is not whether this investment is good for India. The jobs are very, very real. The compute infrastructure serves real demand. But the question now which needs to be addressed is whether India is building the capacity to own a meaningful share of what runs on top of this infrastructure, or whether the country ends up housing the servers that power someone else's AI economy. The data center is the foundation, I believe. Now, what gets built on that foundation is the conversation that follows this one. And is the front page take. $21 billion buys a lot of servers. It also buys a lot of electricity, a lot of water, and a significant claim on Maharashtra's grid capacity for the next several decades. AirTrunk's Raigad campus will be genuinely useful infrastructure for anyone in India who uses AI tools, streams content, or processes a digital transaction. But the honest catch is that the value created by what runs on that infrastructure will largely accrue to the companies that own the models, the platforms, and of course, the data. India is a very good market at building the foundation. The ambition worth tracking now is whether it gets better at owning what stands on it. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. Yes, maybe yes, it's about time that India seriously starts thinking about the model journey, more so not just about the infrastructure. Well, please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.